soul's destruction. We don't need confusion. And no, we don't need dysfunction. Yes, we're marching to freedom. Tell them can't run from Babylon. And there's no need to fight with the gun. Away, away, so we're marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching. You marching.
Marching up to Babylon. Away, away, so we're marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching.
To freedom. Marching out to Babylon. The shackles can't hold us any longer. Yes, we're gonna be free.
We gonna be free.
And the fire comes from the source, and you know they can't take that from me.
They can't take that from me.
I said away, away, so we're marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching, you marching, we marching.
Yes, we're marching out to Babylon. Away, away, so we're marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching, you marching.
Marching out to Babylon. Marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching, you marching, we marching.
Marching out to Babylon.
Hey, ho, hey, say we
marching, marching, marching to freedom.
We marching, you marching, we marching. Reggae Sumfest.
One more time for the city. Is it? Yeah.
We don't come
Yes,
and sing.
YG there. Yes, I jump. Come true again. Oh, listen here. Yes, I Rastafari. They don't want us to be who we're supposed to be, but we are who we are, and that's the way that it's going to be. They don't want you seeking for the truth, and it's hard to find it hidden right in front of you. And they're showing us to fight through every struggle. Never ever let them put you in a bubble. And the brimstone will rain from our fire. Tell me if that is what you desire. Control, control, control. Control, control, control. They want control me. And they want control over me.
Reggae Sumfest, you ready?
Over me. But we keep on surviving.
We keep on surviving.
They keep on fighting us down, but we'll keep on surviving.
We keep on surviving.
Even though they pull us through the ground.
Yes, I.
We'll keep on surviving.
We keep on surviving.
They keep on fighting us down, but they don't want us to be who we're supposed to be. But we are who we are, and that's the way that it's going to be. No, they don't want you seeking for the truth, and it's hard to find it hidden right in front of you. Oh, whoa. And they're showing us to fight through every struggle. Never ever let them put you in a bubble. And the brimstone will rain from our fire. Tell me if that is what you desire. Control, control, control. Control, control. They want control of me, and they want control over me.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
protect and guide us forever.
Forever and ever and ever.
Jah will protect and guide us forever.
Forever and ever and ever.
And if you follow me, we'll be sitting right beside that tree. They're coming right after me, but I'll be marching to set you free. Jah love, guide and protect us, but I'll be marching to set you free. I'll be marching to set you free. Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Marching to set you free. Marching to set you free. Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Marching to set you free. Marching to set you. Marching to set you free.
Jamaica.
Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Hold my hand and follow me. Well, I'll be marching to set you free. Marching to set you free.
Jah will protect and guide us forever.
Marching to set you free. Marching to set you free. Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Bible said we must be free. So I'll be marching to set you free. Marching to set you free. Oh, I'll be marching to set you free. Marching to set you free.
Jamaica, you ready to be free, Jamaica? You ready to be free? Hands up. Come on, come on. We marching to set you free. Hands up for freedom. Ready? Hey, say we marching to set you free. Marching to set you. Marching to set you free. Hands up for freedom,
Marching to
Jamaica.
set you.
You're ready to be free in the mind, the soul, and the heart. Hands up.
Marching to set you free.
We marching to
Yes,
set
sir.
you free. To set you free.
I'll be marching to set you free. Yes, Jamaica.
YG Marley, yo!
Alright.
Glorious be to the Most High. Ixia baby, you must
Yeah.
Jah Rastafari. Reggae Sumfest. Are you ready for the man called Zion? Zion.
Yeah.
Zion. Zion Marley.
Jamaica. Yeah. 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 Is it wrong to love thy enemies?
Is it wrong to love thy enemies?
I've only been backstabbed by friends of me.
Friends of me.
No one can take my destiny.
No one can take the test of me.
Can't let them get the best of me. Look, if you see me, then you must be out the way. Look, I'm in the wilderness, I'm in the United States. Cup full of bitterness, don't drink it for the taste. This for the people who don't know our Father's grace. Hidden treasures, we like diamonds that thrive under pressure. Hold your head up in any weather. How can we lose when we're led by the shepherd? Can't lose, no, is it wrong to show my faith through the work of my song? Oh no, and we strong through the power of El Elyon. Is it wrong to love thy enemy? I've only been backstabbed by friends of me. No one can take my destiny. soul, guard your heart, guard your mind, guard your soul, guard your heart, guard your mind. Is it wrong to love thy enemy? I've only been backstabbed by friends of me. No one can take my destiny. Every man is around. Can't let them get the best of me. Is it wrong to love thy enemies? I've only been backstabbed by friends of me. No one can take my destiny. Can't let them get the best of me. Can't let them get the best of me. Can't let them get the best of me. Guard your heart, guard your mind, guard your soul, guard your heart, guard your mind, guard your soul, guard your soul, guard your heart, guard your mind, guard your soul, guard your heart, guard your mind.
Guard your soul, guard your heart, guard your mind.
Is it wrong to love thy enemies? I've only been backstabbed by friends of me. No one can take my destiny. Yeah. What's up? Yeah.
One time for YG Marley.
Rastafari. Yeah. Sumfest. Where are they?
Jamaica.
Yo, I'm a G there. I'm a G there. What a G there. Forward in my G.
Sumfest. Make some noise
Yeah,
for your
G.
very own. The man called. The man called Jashii.
That is it for better, you know the thing go.
No,
never know.
One time for
Mr.
Jashii.
Sumfest one. Nobody not go tonight and believe in themselves. Who don't give me some stick, guys?
Ready now, ready
Mr.
now.
Jashii. It can be no better days up here. You want wheel up
Wheel
now.
and come again, say.
Wheel up this night.
Hey, and show, man, you hear that?
Hand up in the air for Jashii one time.
Yeah.
Ready.
YG.
I want YG. I want Jashii down.
Sumfest. I can't take the little time I get and sing a song from my heart for you tonight. I said I can sing a song from my heart for you tonight.
Say Jashii.
It ain't easy. Them want to keep it truth as a secret. The people need it. We are the future. Can't defeat we. Every get a youth life and meaning. You see looking for like them. Who see them a go so? Me say Jaja for real. Because me know brighter days appear when it starts clear. And now you want me the light to your guide me in the dark years. Forget my past, sustain. There's nothing can stop you when you believe in yourself. Sumfest, on the earth, me sing. Jaja talk to me, they kill Bob Marley. When they want to me say powers in our prayers and song to me. Man, I'm on fighter, me them can't. One heap of powers in our prayers and song to me. Try young fan, them think I can't do it. Man, I call them in a this, but put my heart to it. Mr. Fire, believe in yourself, give me some signals. Mr. Jaja Marley. Because me know brighter days appear when it start clear. Me say I might be the light when you guide me in the dark. Hold on. Hey, bands. This is dancehall. This is reggae music. Want to give me a one drop. One drop. Bird for fight and I'm a born firm. Life experience and no classwork. You not get a lesson that you can't learn. I got give a blessing me no sustenance. Who am I name? Born fighter. And if it is survive. And if it is survive, me say I'm in born. Level up that, level. Me say no Jashii fans not there. No Jashii fans not there. Level. Boy, I wanna sing what my name. Born. Strongest soldier get the fight. Strongest soldier get the fight. I want my name. Born fighter. You know the thing to push up a lighter. Burn back biter. One, you know the thing to push up a lighter.
children, are my sons. I mean, no, not that. This has sound like right. To a serpent, try to play straight how your whole style been. Consequences, no coincidence. Hypocrites, I always wanna play innocent. I always wanna take it to the full out. I always wanna make it seem like you never wanna face it when it's time for punishment. No, you don't wanna hear my opinion. Many paths, choose one. Don't change, rain soon come. Might win some, but you just lost one. Might win some, but you just lost. Win some, but you just lost. Win some, but you just lost. Said you might win some, but you might win some, but you really lost one. You just lost one. It's so silly how I felt. Oh, when it's all done, did you really get it from what you done? I said what you done. You might win some, but you really lost one. You just lost one. It's so silly how I felt. Oh, when it's all done, did you really get it from what you done? Oh, what you done? You might win some. Oh, yo, you might win. I said you might win. You might win some. Might lose some. Might win some. But you lost me. Might win some. Yo, hold on now. I said that song was recorded in Jamaica. 56 Hope Road, Kingston. Hey. How you feeling, everybody?
All my Fuji fans, hands up in the air.
Easy, easy. Bring it back. Hold on.
Long come again.
Regiment. I'll start with you, Benjamin, right? Okay. How many of y'all to sing along with me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words. Woo. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words, y'all. Killing me softly, yo, with his song. Yo, come on, yo, we got the, Lope up in here, yo. Sumfest up in here, one time. YG Marley up in here. YG Marley up in here, one time, Sumfest,
Hey, yo,
one time.
Miss Hill, give it to them now.
I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. So I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers. One time, singing his words. Two times, come on. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with his song. Yo. I felt all flushed with fever. I was embarrassed by Jamaica's crowd. La, 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 la. I felt he found my letters and he read each one out loud. Yeah. I prayed that he would feel it, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers. One time, singing my life with his words. Two times, killing me softly with his soul. Catch us, Bridget, with his soul. Oh, telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly, hands up in the air, softly, hands up in the air. With his soul. Over here. One more. Hey, you sound good. Y'all sound good. Say it again. Strumming my pain. Let me hear you. Strumming my pain with his fingers. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me with his song, telling my, yeah, with his words, killing me softly with his song. To the bridge, to the bridge, to the bridge. Come on. La la la. Sumfest, how you feeling? How you feeling? All right, hold on. Can I do one more? I'm gonna give the stage right back. Just do one more. But I'm gonna need y'all to move with me. I'm gonna need y'all to jump with me. Those who know it, you gotta sing. Even if you don't know it, you gotta sing along, okay? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Where my Fuji fans? Where my Fuji fans?
Yeah.
Yo, we used to be number 10. Now we permanent one. Battle off my finger. Might became my arm. Pistol, not the witch and hazel. Let me come from palm color. Come on, be easy now. Squeeze the shaman. White left, see death, flesh me score. We just so bad, make me feel like you ain't want to be born. Yeah. And tell your friends, say the hell out of my lawn. Take it toward jet you to the trigger of my form. Damn. Another dead bitch. You're mafiosos and we bringing our patience to sin. Nobody shooting. Body made a hand grenade. Girl done to death while she was touched in the razor blade. That sounds sick, maybe one day I'll write a horror. Black and the come together, stick them up with tracks and after round. Stevie Wonder sees crack babies. Because men enemies for their own family. I'ma get me come to know where we so tight. Y'all walk outside just in case I got it wrong. Boy, on the side of Babylon is trying to fuck. I get down with me. Yo. Oh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Oh la la la. It's the natural light at the red. Oh la 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 la. Sweet hey. She love me like no other before. Yo. That way saloons we drink bowls and battle goals to high noon. Blush rap phones on flash phones. Take no shorts like pom-poms. Hoochies pop coochies. Gucci to Lucci, find me in my Mitsubishi eating sushi, bumping Fuji's. Hey. Try to take my corner, we don't play. Say. Like Paul McCartney, not hardly on. Picking up your walk and see right through your bluff. These niggas huffing and puffing. Can't handle us, we boss. Cause we fortified, I can never hide. Singly high dry when Cochise died. I'm twisted like Mr. by some other Negroes. Don't remove none of my clothes on the first episode, yo. Shouldn't this refugees there? Sounds simple to you. Respect your shit cause I'm super fly when I'm super high on the Fuji. Oh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Oh la la la. It's the natural high that the refugees bring. Oh la la la. Sugar. Sweet taste. Right. She love me like no other before. Hey. Yo, Sumfest, one love, y'all. We love you. Yo. Hold on. YG, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Wait, hold on. Can I just check something if you're ready? Da Vinci, brethren. I want to know if they're ready.
Yo, Sumfest.
I want to make sure they're ready for you.
Hold on, Sumfest.
Come on.
We're not like that. None of light. Do you know on the phone the word?
I want to know if they're ready.
Want to see some light in the sky.
I want to know if they're ready.
Want to see some light
I want to know if they're ready for you, YG.
Want to see
I
some
want to know
light
if
in
they're ready
the
for you,
sky.
son. I want to know, ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. I'm going to find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Said you can't hide.
I'm gonna find you and make you. Yo. I play my enemies like a game of chess where I rest. No stress if you don't smoke cess. Yes, I must confess my destiny's manifest. It's some Gore-Tex and sweats. I make tracks the phone mess. Rap orgies with Porgy and Pest. Capture your bounty like Elliot Ness. Yo, bless you. Represent the fool, but I hate you. With some bitches brew if you do, they voodoo. I can do what you do. Easy.
Believe me.
Frontin' niggas give me heebie-jeebies. So while you imitating Al Capone, I be needing some more. Defecating on your microphone, ready or not?
Ready or not.
Here I come. You can't hide.
Said you can't hide.
I'm gonna find you.
I'm gonna find you.
And take it slow. Ready or not. Here I come. You can't hide.
Said you can't hide.
I'm gonna find you.
Jamaica.
You want me. You can't run away from these styles I got. Jamaica, cause I got a lot. Oh yeah.
Let us know.
Anywhere you go. My whole crew's got to know I call them Bombay,
Jamaica,
Kingston,
Jamaica.
Anywhere you go. My whole crew's got to know cause
Jamaica.
You can't hide from the block.
Reggae Sumfest.
Like a capture to see you. You look great, everybody. Beautiful to see you. Hold on. Wait.
Hold on. We need to see some phone light nice guy for this one here.
Come on.
Yeah. Come on, you know this one here.
Put your phone lights up right now, Jamaica. Light up the place. Light up the place. Light up the place. Light up the place. Hey.
Turn the music up. Come on.
Put your lights up. Phone lights up right now.
Yeah, where we come from.
The number one reggae tune in the world. Ready?
These roads of flames are catching a fire.
You say.
That is it. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar. Oh no. Baby, tell me where you gone.
Come on.
And I've been feeling for your love so long. And we can praise you in the moonlight. Oh baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long. And I'm hoping that you sing my
song.
I've been on this road for way too long.
What else?
I've been hoping that we all get along.
Now what?
These roads of flames are catching a fire.
You say. Yeah.
Told you I loved you, you called me a liar.
Sing.
Give Jah the thanks and praises. And I've been on my own. But we ain't never left alone. The feeling is wrong. Relax a little, friend, this won't take too long. And when you're feeling alone, you can call my phone. Is there a better way to go? Teach them something before they lose their soul. Oh no, freedom is the road. Oh no, coming in from the cold. Tell them not to sell it, it's worth more than gold. And guiltiness will catch them in the air.
Jamaica.
Oh yeah.
Hands up.
They'll try to manipulate you through your pockets.
Hands up.
Now you're gonna fill out with the vision. But we say no. They'll try to control you so they take the power.
What we say?
But we say no. Thanks and praises.
Get ya.
Yes, Jamaica.
Yo,
Thanks and praises.
Get ya.
Whoa. Give Jah the thanks. Rastafari.
One more time for YG Marley, Miss Lauryn Hill, Jashii, Zion Marley, Reggae Sumfest.
Can you stand right here?
Rastafari.
Rasta enter.
Step forward. Check.
Rasta leave out.
Yo, turn on my microphone for me, please. Turn on my microphone. Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest. We didn't bargain for this. This was a treat to our Jamaican people. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if most of you grew up on this lady's music, but it's an honor to have her in our presence at Reggae Sumfest 2024. This must go down in the history of this festival 2024. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you do love and appreciate the music, the culture that this lady has brought to this island, give her a round of applause, Jamaica. Thank you so much, Lauryn Hill. It's been a pleasure. And big up YG Marley. One time. Hold on. Media houses, try to catch a picture and put it on front page. Me and Lauryn Hill, history. Arthur King, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Lauryn Hill.
Thank you so much.
And YG Marley, her son.
One time.
One of the youngest legends out of the Marley family. Come on, Jamaica.
Selassie Island.
Proud of you, son. Continue your journey. And God bless. Turn your lives down low. And remove your window curtain.
Oh, let your moon come shining in into our lives again. Saying, oh, it's been a long, long time. I got this message for you, boy.
But it seems
I was never on time. Still I wanna get through to you, girl. On time.
Jamaica, sing.
I want to give you some love.
Sing.
ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.
I want to give you some good.
Thank you so much, YG Marley.
Jamaica.
I want to give you some good love.
Hold on. Loving you is like a song I replay every 3 minutes and 30 seconds of every day. And every chorus was written for us to recite. Every beautiful melody of devotion every night. This potion might, this ocean might carry me in a wave of emotion that asks you to marry me. And every word, every second and every third expresses a happiness more clearly than ever heard. When I play a every chord is a poem telling my father how grateful I am because I know him. The harmonies possess a sensation similar to your caress. And if you're asking, then I'm telling you it's yes. Standing low, take my hand and love just right. I want to give you some good loving. I want to give you some love.
I want to give you some good.
I want to give you some love.
Sing, Jamaica.
I want to give you some good loving.
I want to give Jamaica some good loving. Yeah. Come on, we passed our time. God bless y'all. Thank you so much. Good night. Have a great time.
One more time for Miss Lauryn Hill, Zion, Jashii.
No, so YG Marley and Lauryn Hill on the team there.